What's up guys, it's Captain Zion here and I'm back with another unboxing video. This is my Airsoft Loadout 2.0. Just got this today and let's crack it open and see what we got here. I obviously know what I got, but you guys don't, so that makes it much more fun. Get the sides. Okay, looks like we got a bunch of cardboard here. Okay, start off some mags. You'll see what those are for in a second. Another mag. This appears to be the folding grip I got. One battery. Two battery. Another mag. This is the plate carrier I'm going to be using. I think it's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Rail riser mount thing for my sight. And here are my new goggles, which are actually a lot smaller than I thought they would be. And now, let's get on to the piece of resistance. This bad boy. Oh yeah, also connected for my battery thing. Okay. It's made by APS. I'm not going to tell you guys the name just yet, but let's crack it open and see what we got here. It's hard to do with one hand. Sorry for the weird angle here. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's the rails. Oh man, this looks sick. Thing's hefty. As you guys see, this is my new airsoft gun here. Got the gold bolt, and yes, that is some profanity on the side there. Sorry about that if you're a younger person watching. Okay, so there's that. See, manual. And then I assume this is the jamming rod. Then I assume this is the magazine. The magazines I bought and the one that comes with it are the same thing. What else does it come with in here? Oh, these are the 3 rails that came with it that I'll have to put on before I can actually use it. Okay, put that aside. Okay, move on to the plate carrier thing next. Okay, this is gonna be a little tricky. Okay, there we go. I gotta pull started. There's a plate carrier. I got 3 pouches here from my magazines. Little pouch up here. And what I really like is this accessory bag on the back, but personally I'm probably going to be using it as a dump pouch. Okay, folding grip. Let's get this out. Okay, this is the folding grip I got. Oh, sorry about the phone there, guys. Oh,